second.
Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you and doing a review of my new boots from Puma. And I got these boots from M&M Direct. And M&M Direct is like TK Maxx, but it's online, and it doesn't just do like football related stuff. I got like my school shoes as well from there.
Yeah, both school shoes. So we got
Puma One ones, soft ground.
green, white, and black colourway. And they were $62.99.
Yeah,
which is pretty cheap.
And the box didn't come in a very good condition because these are like pre-season.
No, not pre-season. Previous season, not pre-season.
Pre-season black before.
Previous season. Pre-season.
Previous season boots.
Different colourway, so if you open them.
Yeah.
We've got in the box.
So,
a few things.
if you like,
they look pretty legit. You've got all this stuff in them, like.
If you like watch a lot of stuff about boots, you know these are quite old. I think it's the first or first colorway, second colorway. I'm not sure of these ones.
But these are a leather.
Yeah.
Leather across the front.
My first leather boot.
Proper leather boots.
Yeah.
Leather across the front. And soft ground. Kangaroo leather. And you've got these. Just got these for the.
This. Oh, it's for like adjusting it. Because there are like things like you want like lockdown or something. More lockdown. You put like further down or something.
Yeah, almost near the front.
Yeah.
So these just slightly like similar to the net fits. We can adjust the fit, but nowhere as much. So, what do you think? Colorway?
No, I like them. Yeah, they're really nice actually.
They're nice. They look much better in the in the flesh than they do when you see them in pictures. And if you do watch, would you highly recommend if you're into football boots and knowing what to get and what works, what's good? Although football boots won't make you a better player, it's training that make you a better player. Then don't do that. Don't over tighten the studs. Soccer reviews for you and Unisport review these boots, and they both really rate these boots.
Yeah.
You know, Puma are now one of the best boots manufacturers you get. They're still not a popular brand, so you can still get good price boots. Get boots for a good price, and of the equivalent compared to equivalent Nike or.
Adidas.
Yeah, and the other thing is that the boots they sell, for the children are the same. For the kid size, the same. Whereas Nike and Adidas either don't make elite models or the top end models available for children's sizes, or the younger, smaller sizes. They actually
think they do, but they're just not the same.
They don't make them as good.
Yeah.
They don't make them as good. So we got your Adidas X's. What are they? 18 plus.
Yeah, 18 plus.
For you and for an adult size, and your brother in the kid size, and the kid size were just not as good. You could tell, and they're actually heavier. So, but these you get the same. So you've got these now. This is for the soft ground. So the reason why I got these because we didn't want to miss out the opportunity to get them so cheap. So we're kind of guesstimating size wise and hope it's going to be right. What size? And you've got your other ones that we got from. Where did we get these from? Level.
Yeah, I think so.
Level. So these are going cheap. So these are the Puma Net Fits.
I don't know why, but like when you search up on Google, like the name of the model of the boot, and then press shopping, you can get different stuff that's not on the actual website. Because when I went on Level Soccer,
Yeah.
for those ones, they didn't actually have those ones on the website, but they had them when you went through the link of the Google shopping.
Weird. The stud pattern of this is pretty common across the net fit system,
But the sole plate looks cool.
but the sole plate's different for these. You see,
Yeah.
which is quite nice because if you look at it, if you see, it's kind of reflective.
Yeah, kind of reflect. It's got like blue sparkly bits inside.
Yeah.
And this leather's quite soft.
Yeah, the leather. The rest is synthetic, and the collar's meant to be quite good here. Are you going to try these on? Do we put some socks? Have you got some socks on?
I've got some socks there.
Yeah. Well, you put them on.
Yeah.
Well, compared to
My old one.
your old ones, these ones we
But
got.
those aren't ones on net fits.
These net fits, the older ones you got for last season. How are these boots?
They're really good.
Really good.
But I prefer the green and black ones.
The green, so you put green, black, but these are obviously you're wearing these at the moment, firm grounds, aren't
Yeah.
you? Yeah. And how you find them? You said today your striking's really crisp and nice with it,
Yeah.
with the texturing and the upper. So you can change with the net fits. You can change the lacing system a lot, but I don't think you need to, do you? You just leave it as it is, don't you?
Yeah.
So that's your other one. And then you've got these ones, the Mercs as well. So just some little different boots. You've got Mercs. These are AG stud pattern that were mine, but I couldn't wear them. I don't hardly wear them. So you wear them for, sometimes you wear them for football training. How'd you find these ones?
They're nice because like they're a bit. I don't know. Really,
Would you find them?
they're really thin.
Uncomfortable?
No, they're nice.
Nice touch. So very thin. This is the Pro version of the Mercurial. What the?
Mercurial vapor.
6. I don't. Anyway, the ones before.
No, vapor 12.
Vapor 12. So okay. So these are the ones before the latest one, the last
Yeah.
version. But they are nice. I just found them very uncomfortable. I tried these on the equivalent lower tier version in Sports Direct and they fitted fine. And then when I got these online, they just were too uncomfortable to wear, and I don't wear them enough. So you wear them because you've got bigger feet now. Big feet like mine.
Yeah.
Bigger feet. So these are in a size 9.
Yeah.
What are these in?
A size
What are these ones in a size
8.5.
But no, so you got size 9, so we kind of want to. It may not make much sense buying a size 9 now and just trying to hope that they don't become too small or too tight. But with them being low stock and M&M, you may have lost that the chance. And I think the equivalent ones on Pro Diet were near enough £100 or £80
Yeah.
or more, 85. So we could, you could just get these and wear them. And then see. So do you want to try? Should we try them on?
Yeah.
They're going to be a bit too big, but you could try them on what they feel like, fit and feel. What do you think of them generally?
They
you
look
like
really
them?
nice,
They look
yeah.
really cool. I think we're going to have to spray this bit with a waterproof spray because it's going to get dirty very quick. So we spray this with a waterproof spray. We'll leave obviously the leather and the rest of it, but we're going to spray this waterproof spray, which is worth doing because it keeps them a bit water repellent and stops them getting so dirty. So stop the clean. So that's your little sister.
Yeah.
So let's have a look. So let's make a copy. So right, so you've not got football socks on, but you've got some thick socks, so
Yeah.
equivalent. You put them on. How easy to put on?
Yeah, they're quite easy.
Some can be very difficult, can't they? Slot in very quick.
Yeah, they've got a bit of room. Is this foot bigger than that foot?
No, I don't think so. Maybe some people have slightly big foot. There is enough room, isn't there? There's plenty of room there. Yeah. So if you're looking about a thumb, so all I'm trying to say is it is a gamble, but I think a gamble that will pay off because we're going to try and get.
Yeah.
We're going to try and hope that these will be the right fit by December.
Yeah.
January time. Yeah.
Yeah, and then I can go back to wearing the
other
net
ones,
fits
the net
after.
fits. Go back to wearing these ones after because they would have probably stretched a bit, maybe.
And I can wear these ones for training.
You can wear these for training, definitely, because you play on an AstroTurf pitch, yeah?
Yeah. I don't know why, but these just feel like really like
What?
flat at the front.
Low toe box, you mean?
I don't know what that means.
So, meaning... No.
Yeah, let me tie them up as well.
So does it feel in a not good way or a good way?
Oh, it just looks a bit weird.
The laces are very nice and long.
Yeah.
Come.
Because it's really annoying if they're short.
Yeah, I know.
But too long is really annoying as well.
So you can double knot.
Yeah.
You can actually proper double knot, not just the loops. No, not just loops, you can do the whole thing, can't you? Well, you can just do the loops still. That's an option you got if the laces are too short, you can just double knot the loops. It's worth doing. It does work. Who came up with that idea?
You.
Was it?
Yeah. Probably someone else in the world.
Someone else
probably.
probably did, but then we thought about it.
Yeah.
And your sister's making a
But
making a
thought.
Hey, wait, we're talking, we're doing a video. We have to do a video just going on YouTube. Shh. So let us finish and you can make much noise as you want. Okay,
Yeah,
so,
so, yeah.
so how does it feel comfortable wise?
It's quite comfy, yeah.
How much room have we got? You got quite a lot of wiggle room?
Yeah.
Space here? So
Yeah. It
there's
already
space here.
feels broken in.
Stand up. Go on, come on this side. Come on this side. A little bit of walk. So,
Well, it's a bit loose because it's just smaller size.
maybe we should fiddle around with the fit, so get a bit more on the go sidewise. Get a bit more of the up here, the loop it up here, so we can get a bit more locked down that area. Tilt, push your foot up. Is it lifting up a bit?
A bit, yeah.
A little bit, not a lot. Any more than a laceless boot would do.
It's making marks on the floor.
But get off there. We'll get in trouble. Any more than a laceless boot would do. Yeah, lifting up.
Laceless bits aren't that bad.
Right. Okay, go round then. And again. Good thing is you've got this bit, so when you want to, really clever when you want to get one, want to get a bit tighter. Go around the other side.
But the
Go on the other side.
the new
Okay, go
but
the other side.
the net fits don't have the back bit that you can pull.
Yeah. So, all in all, what do you think of these?
I really like them.
How do they compare to net fits?
They have a lot different feel. They're not as wide at the front.
They're a bit more tighter.
No, it's just not that wide at the front. The rest is basically the same and a bit more padded.
Where?
At the sides and like especially there. And
Here?
the heel.
Here.
Yeah.
And nicely padded. So it's going to feel more comfortable. So it feels nice and comfortable. You're going to feel more comfortable using them. You won't have to think about, oh, this is painful, and you'll be concentrating your game more than how the boots feel, which is important. Because the guys, again, if you go to Unisport, the brilliant bunch, really good. or Soccer Review for You, they always say make sure the boots, the most important thing, that they're comfortable to you. But obviously these quality boots are quality. They're going to feel, maybe better touch and better feel on your feet. The better quality boots are going to feel better, but they're not going to make you, like you always say, not going to make you a better player. What better players? Ball mastery, training, practice.
Yeah.
All that, and lots of practice make you better. So, how do you say compared to the Net Fits? Different type of boot. So,
Yeah.
do you like them? Was it worth getting these?
Yeah.
It's your first leather boot.
Yeah, they're very comfy. I'll
So-
just make a mark in the carpet as well.
Well, that'll go.
Just sit here.
That'll go anyway. So, yep.
Yeah.
£62.99, I think they were.
Yeah.
Worth it.
Yeah.
Yep. So,
Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next.
should we do a feedback video as
Yeah.
well? We'll do a feedback
We'll do
video
a
as well.
feedback video.
We'll feedback
Hopefully,
it.
if we remember.
It'll be a good couple of months, and if we have the time.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
So please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Take care. Bye bye.